In this module, we will discuss few points to highlight the comparison between monocots and dicots. First of all, we will discuss the differences between monocots and dicots. You can see here that monocots have one cotyledon during their embryonic stage, which is actually an embryonic leaf, and while the dicots have two cotyledons during their embryonic stage. And talking about their leaf venation pattern, monocots में parallel venation pattern है, parallel in the midrib, and while in case of dicots, they mostly have net-like pattern, venation pattern. And अगर हम इसकी stem को देखें, तो they have vascular bundles, usually complex, और ये scattered है monocots में, while in case of dicots, their vascular bundle is mostly arranged in form of a ring. And if we look into the roots of monocots, they have fibrous root system, meaning thereby कि इनके जब roots develop होती हैं radical से, तो ये tuft of fibers की तरह होती हैं, and they are short. And while in case of dicots, they have taproot, और taproot usually मेन रूट होती है, और ये रेडिकल से डेवलप होती है, और इससे लेटरल ब्रांचेस डेवलप होती हैं. वी कैन सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टैप रूट एंड फाइब्रस रूट बाय लुकिंग एट देयर डायग्राम सिंपली. और अगर हम इनके फ्लावर्स को देखें, तो इन केस ऑफ मोनोकॉट्स द फ्लोरल पार्ट्स आर यूजुअली इन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3, या 3 नंबर होंगे इनके फ्लोरल पार्ट्स, या फिर इन मल्टीपल 3 होंगे, मतलब या 3 होंगे, या 6 होंगे, या 9 होंगे. While in case of dicots, they have floral parts which are 4 in number, or multiples of 4 or 5. या 4 हैं, या 8 हैं, या 5 हैं, या 10 हैं, इस तरह से. So talking about their number of cotyledons, you can see here that dicots have 2 cotyledons in them, while in case of monocots, they have a single cotyledon. In case of leaf venation pattern, we can see here clearly कि monocots में they have parallel veins in their leaf structure, while in case of dicots, they have a reticulate pattern of leaf venation. In case of number of petals or sepals, we can see that in case of monocots, they have 3 or multiples of 3. We can see that they are 6 in number here, while in case of dicots, they are 4 or 5 or multiples of 4 or 5. Here we can see that there are 5 petals, and here we can see that there are 10 petals. अगर हम vascular system in stem की बात करें, तो monocots में it is scattered as shown in the figure, and in case of dicots, the vascular bundle is arranged in form of a ring. And about similarities, we can see that a symmetry of accessory parts of flower show both regular symmetry or irregular symmetry in both monocots and dicots. While in case of monocots, अगर हम individual और united petals की बात करें, तो इनमें monocots and dicots दोनों में ही ये separate petals की और gamopetalous की condition prevail करती है. And if we talk about relative position of male and female flower parts, तो superior ovary और inferior ovary both present है monocots में और dicots में.